Hello everyone, today we're going to be improvising some random sci-fi weapon out of all this electronics garbage that I found.
Every time you try to slow me down, I just accelerate faster, no top speed now. Red dot sight on you with my blaster. Thought you had me boxed in, taped your nail in my coffin. Now I'm picking all your locks with a razor and a bobby pin. Send you little spies, I possess fit. Whisper in their skulls, voice to skull technology. I clone their memories and I bless them.
Alright, I've gone ahead and taken a regular old headlamp from the $2 shop and some laser pointers, and I've wired all the laser pointers up to the headlamp battery, and now I can flick this button, and by pressing down on the inside here, we've got first beam, got the second beam, and we've got the third beam, and they're all controlled through this little switch here that I've installed, which I got out of an old DLP projector. That's the first little stage, I guess.
Yes. Well, there it is. Wow. This thing's really going toe to toe with the microwave. I would have never guessed that.
If you don't back off and go and get a life, then till the end of days you shall be cursed with strife. I see you staring through the blinds, stick that voodoo doll one more time.
Alright everyone, I have made the dodgy as laser gun by slapping a bunch of lasers together and a flashlight and just linking the battery together. And now I have the triple laser beam. It's completely flat right now, so it's pretty weak, but you can see it still has the little target beams, and it also has the headlight option. And it's just controlled by this switch from an old projector. We'll see how it goes from here.
Layers of ultra high strength materials.
Ring a rosy, a pocket full of posy. Consequences coming to the curiously nosy. Ring a rosy, pocket full of posy. Trying to kill me off, but I respond and now it's over. Ring a rosy, you acting like a pro thief. Now daily cut your cameras, it's a full-on freaking war siege. Roses are red and violence turns blue. My global satellite, we can always see you. My ears in your phone, I hear you from my throne.
Alright, I did it. I accidentally made a lightsaber that also has just a regular flashlight feature, and it's pretty terrible. It's not really a lightsaber so much as it is just a glorified predator laser pointer. But this is it. You can swing it, and it also has an emergency explosive tactical assault device on the bottom. Slamming the rear butt of the lightsaber into anything will cause a giant deafening explosion, because I have placed a cap gun cap ring with 8 caps on it at the bottom, so smashing it down really hard will make it explode. It has a switch for the very bright laser of doom, and it has a twist handle for upgrading the amount of lasers. There is a 3-barrel chamber of lasers inside, and there is also, we've got this regular flashlight, we've got the dimmer flashlight, and we've got the strobe feature for when it's in the dark, so you can blind cameras or whatever, I don't know. And we've also got this anti-glint feature, so I've taken the covering off of the speaker, and I've used that to reduce the glint. So if you want, you could wrap this thing in sort of camo and sit it down, and you wouldn't get any reflection. So it's super stealthy. Anyway, that's what I built today. It's also rechargeable. I have a little recharging port, and it says Happy 21st. My mother bought me this, and I glued it to the thing because it was lying around. Anyway, that's what I have built today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.